Today we are looking at this 2012 Acura TL with the tech package, super handling all-wheel drive. This is the 3.7 liter V6, which produces 305 horsepower. Gets you from 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. The white paint on this vehicle is really popping out. It is running already. Each of the wheels is in nice shape, hardly any curb rash on any of them. Let me show you the other wheels quickly. One of my first cars when I first started driving was a 2004 Acura TL, and that was front wheel drive. Nice gray color with a black interior, and I loved that vehicle. But for someone who's just starting to drive, it's a little too fast, I think. Luckily I was okay, didn't have any issues. But this one, this 2012, is even faster than that 2004, and they've definitely made some improvements. The interior has the nice Milano leather. Beautiful black interior here. This ELS surround sound system is one of the best premium sound systems in any vehicle that I've ever heard. Navigation screen is crystal clear. You also have nice backup camera. Heated seats in the front. Show you the back. Headliner looks good. Sunroof works good. No leaks in the cabin from the sunroof. 122,536 miles. There's a steering wheel. Got a bunch of controls on both sides for cruise control and trip related things and volume and phone stuff. Here you do have the option of setting two seat positions with your memory buttons there. Here are your master switch window controls. Front two windows are full auto, back two are normal. Show you the back. Now the newer Acuras have the turbocharged engine, which is a fine engine. But if you're looking for the more traditional V6, this is the one I would go with. Here's how the back looks. Does have the smart key feature, which I like as well. You know, even for a bigger guy like me, about 5'10", 5'10 and a half, but I'm like 280, these back seats are nice and comfortable, and I don't feel too cramped. And the front seats are actually pushed back a decent amount. Not bad. So my name's Abraham. This is ZLK Auto Fair. If you're interested in this 2012 Acura TL with super handling all-wheel drive and the tech package, please give me a call at 508-883-1346. We do offer financing. I look forward to being of service to you. Take care.